King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, if you are interested in learning how to make this ice cream themed lip gloss, then keep on watching. So I have my gloss base ready in 3 separate bowls for the 3 separate colors, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this spice chocolate flavoring oil. I wish I had strawberry and vanilla so that way I could have like 3 separate oils in one lip gloss, but I only have chocolate, so it's gonna be chocolate scented. So now I'm going to start with the chocolate scents, and I'm going to add this chocolate lip liquid from TKB Trading in this bowl. And you want to make sure you shake it first so that the colors don't separate, because the pigments do separate in the bottle sometimes, so you need to shake it before you use it. Going to move on to the vanilla inspired bowl, and I'm shaking the white lip liquid from TKB Trading, and we're going to go ahead and add that in the second bowl. Then for our strawberry inspired bowl, we're going to go ahead and add the yummy pink lip liquid from TKB Trading in the third bowl. Start with the brown color, and I'm going to put a little bit of the lip gloss base inside of each tube. How the color is so bold and chocolate brown. It's absolutely perfect. That's why I added a lot of the lip liquid, because I really wanted the colors to be strong and bold and show. Now I'm moving on to the vanilla inspired bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that white lip liquid into the base. To our final color, I'm going to go ahead and mix this pink lip liquid into the base as well. Actually my favorite color, so I am loving the way this strawberry pink lip gloss is looking. So I have 3 separate 20 milliliter syringes, and I'm going to take the first one and start to fill the tubes with the chocolate portion of the lip gloss. So I'm only going to fill the gloss about 1/3 of the way so that I can have space for the vanilla and the strawberry portion of the gloss. going to go in with my second color, which is white, and start to fill the tubes again.
Of dreams.
Now we're going to take our third color, which is this pink strawberry color, and start to fill the tubes for the last time. OMG, are you guys loving the outcome as much as me? I love this gloss. Like, I'm so proud of myself. After that long process of filling each of these tubes, this is the outcome. Absolutely beautiful. I love this ice cream Napoleon themed lip gloss. So now we're going to go ahead and add the caps and the tops. now that all of these stoppers and the caps are on, we're going to go ahead and give the glosses a gloss bath. A gloss bath just contains soap and water, and it is to help extra sanitize your tubes and to prevent them from being sticky. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I wanted to do something different and unique, so I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you would love to. I would really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.